Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your Sari world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I am very delighted to kickstart the month of May with a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silks in kaleidoscopic colors. The motifs and designs of these saris are absolutely beautiful, and I am sure you will fall in love with this collection. We begin with a beautiful sari for the threadwork Kanjivaram lovers. This one is in a beautiful shade of pinkish orange. The body of the sari has stripes running along the length of the sari like this. And the borders have beautiful Pakshi motifs. Now the combination of the borders is in shades of green and pink. There is also a row of Banaras motifs which is diagonal lines along this area. This is the beautiful pallu of this stunning sari and it's in the same color scheme, that is orangish pink, pink and green. This is an absolutely beautiful and delightful sari. The blouse piece of the sari is in pink and it's got Pakshi motifs in thread. So this is a beautiful threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari that we have for you today. Up next is a very pretty lotus pink Kanjivaram silk sari with lotus motifs. The body of the sari is a very pretty pastel pink like this and it's got these green stripes done in thread running along the width of the sari, that is from top to bottom. The borders of the sari have beautiful zari motifs of lotuses. So you see these pretty zari lotus along the borders. The pallu of the sari is done in a mix of zari and thread. So you have green thread lines and zari lines running along the pallu. This sari comes with a running blouse fabric that is in the same lotus pink as the sari and it has got these beautiful zari lotus motif along the borders. This is a very unusual and rare shade in Kanjivaram silk saris and the theme of lotus, that is lotus zari buttas on a lotus colored Kanjivaram, makes this a very special and beautiful sari. Black is beautiful. So we have a stunning black Kanjivaram silk sari with all over zari checks as our next sari. So the body of the sari is like this, black with all over zari kattan, and the borders have these mayilkand motifs and salakai motifs, and there is a very pretty selvage here which highlights the beauty of this sari. This is the grand pallu of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari and it has Seepu motifs in zari. The blouse piece of this sari is running, that is it is in black with the same borders as the sari. But you can pair it with a tissue blouse or a pink blouse and those will also make the sari absolutely fantastic. So this is a fabulous Kattam Kanjivaram, the Kattam being in zari in this particular sari. A sari for threadwork Kanjivaram lovers. This one is in a very festive, deep Rani pink kind of shade and the body has small buttas like this all over. These are the threadwork borders of the sari and they have the Jadai Nagam motifs and some Rudraksha motifs. Now Jadai is hair and Nagam is a snake. So Jadai Nagam is a hair ornament that was used to adorn the hair in the past and it's a very pretty ornament and the motif resembles that hair ornament, so it's called a Jadai Nagam motif. This is the gorgeous pallu of this beautiful threadwork Kanjivaram. The pallu is done completely in thread and it's got a dual tone effect. It's got a bit of pink and it's got a bit of short orange kind of shade. And the motifs are similar motifs, that is Jadai Nagam, some Rudraksha motif, and there is a band of Banaras motifs, that is a diagonal stripe. This is the blouse fabric of the sari and it's in a beautiful short orange kind of shade. And the motifs on the borders are the same as that in the sari. And this blouse fabric pairs beautifully with this festive pink of the sari. For those of you who love narrow borders in Kanjivarams, this sari is for you. This is in a very gorgeous green color and it has got narrow borders in a plum kind of shade, magenta plum shade, and the motifs on it are Arai Madam, which is a diamond which has half of it in a thread and half of it with zari. So you see a triangle of zari and a triangle of pink all over the borders. This is the beautiful pallu of the sari and it's a very different pallu as you can see here. It's on a plum shade and there are small circular zari buttas all over the pallu. So this kind of pallu gives the sari a totally different effect. The blouse piece of this beautiful sari is in the same plum shade as the borders and the pallu and it's got the same zari buttas as the pallu has. So you can pair this sari with its own blouse and create an effect that is of simple elegance and beauty. We now have a beautiful breathtaking Kanjivaram in thread work, and this one is a Korvai Kanjivaram. So the body of the sari is in a beautiful yellow and the borders are in a beautiful purple, and the body and the borders are attached using the Korvai technique of interlocking which we find in Kanjivarams. The beautiful purple border has 2 rows of Rudraksham, so it's a Retape Rudraksha border. This is the beautiful pallu of the sari, and it's got similar Rudraksha motifs as the borders, and it's in a gorgeous purple color. The blouse fabric of this beautiful threadwork Kanjivaram sari is in this purple, and it's got similar borders as the sari has. Now this combination of yellow and purple, Korvai and threadwork makes this Kanjivaram an absolute delight. I hope you loved this collection of Kanjivaram silk saris in very unique colors, exclusive motifs, different types of combinations, different kinds of borders, some with threadwork, some with zari, some with both, that we have curated for you today. You can purchase this collection from our website www.kalpavastram.com. In case you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 9769971513. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends and family. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care.